The next menu we are going to look at is the Planning Your Education tab to show you how to register for classes, how to use Waitlists, and how to use Wolverine Track. To register for classes, click on Look Up Classes. In the drop-down menu, select the term you wish to register for. Now you can either look up a course by subject or click Advanced Search and select from multiple options to help you narrow your search. We will demonstrate searching by subject. We'll register for CLSS 1000 Student Success, which is a great class to take for all new students at UVU. First, select the subject. You can then view the various classes offered. Click View Sections to view the options for that course. This is the window where you can see all courses offered. This is the course number, subject, and section. You can see how many credits each class is worth here. The days and time are listed here next to the instructor. Make sure to pay attention to the location of your class, which is listed next to the course fee. The next section is where you can see how many seats are in the class, how many have registered for the class, and how many are left in the class. The numbers under WL are waitlist options, which we will talk about next. To select a class to register, click on the square on the right and then scroll down and click Register. I'm going to click both an open course and a waitlist course so you can see the difference. After clicking Register, you will then be taken to a screen where you can see what classes you have registered for. If there are any problems, the system will notify you of that here.
As you can see, since I tried to register for a waitlist class, I have gotten a registration error. In order to get onto the waitlist, you must click on the drop-down box, select Waitlist, and then click Submit Change below. The class is then listed under your current schedule. This does not mean that you are in the class. It means you are now the next person on the list behind others who have registered on the waitlist. Once a spot in the class becomes available, the person who is first in line will be sent an email informing him or her that they have 24 hours to register for the class. If that person doesn't sign up for a class within that 24-hour period, they lose their spot and the email is sent to the next person on the waitlist. Since you only have 24 hours, it is vital that your UV link email is forwarded to one you check daily. If you receive an email, come back to the Add or Drop Classes menu, and there will be an option here under the Actions drop-down menu that says Web Register. Select that, and then click Submit Changes to be entered into the course. To check your spot on the waitlist, go to the Student tab. Under Banner Services, click on the Student Services and Financial Aid folder, then the Registration folder, and select Student Detailed Schedule. As you can see, I am currently the first person on the waitlist, so I will receive an email if anyone drops the course.
The final stop under the Planning Your Education tab is Wolverine Track. This can be found at the top of the column here or in the toolbar. Either option will take you to the same place. Click Launch Wolverine Track. This program is to help you keep track of how far along you are in your degree, to plan out future semesters, and it also gives you the option to see and explore the requirements of other degrees if you ever wish to change your major. This graph shows the percentage of completion for the current degree you are working towards. In order to change your current degree, you will need to talk to your academic advisor. In this box, the courses in green are the ones you have completed, and the ones in red are all of the requirements that you still need for graduation. By clicking on a requirement, a new window will pop up. In this new window, you will find classes that you can register for to fulfill the requirement you clicked on.
To see how far you are in another degree, click on the What If button. Choose the major of interest under the Pick a Major drop-down menu. If necessary, choose a concentration under the Concentration drop-down menu. You can also choose a minor if you want to. Click on Process What If. This would show you what you have left if you were to switch your major to this particular degree.